Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
As a teenager, Daniel was taken in by Dan Call, a local lay preacher and moonshine distiller. He began learning the distilling trade from Call and his master distiller, Nathan Nearest Green, an enslaved African-American man. Green continued to work with Call after emancipation.
Let's help you make your mark.
For a whiskey to call itself bourbon, its mash, the mixture of grains from which the product is distilled, must contain at least 51% corn. Scotch is whiskey made in Scotland, while bourbon is whiskey made in the USA, generally Kentucky. Scotch is made mostly from malted barley, while bourbon is distilled from corn.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The slave behind Jack Daniel's whiskey recipe to receive new honor. Although Jasper Newton Jack Daniel is credited with inventing Jack Daniels in the 19th century, the company revealed last year that Daniel learned the trade of whiskey making from a slave named Nathan, Uncle Nearest Green. 28 July 2017.
Take our lead.
He was of Scots-Irish, Scottish, and Welsh descent. His grandfather, Joseph Job Daniel, was born in Wales, while his grandmother, Elizabeth Colloway, was born in Scotland. His paternal grandparents immigrated to the United States in the late 18th century. Daniel's date of birth is unknown.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.